I am the spirit of Christmas present, and it is all about Farmhouse. Come on, guys. You know it's all about Farmhouse. That's all you can get in the stores. After all, look at Chip and JoJo. They did Farmhouse, and look how well it did for them. So of course it's Farmhouse. But welcome to the tavern, and you check it out in Farmhouse style, and you make your own decision. Wait, hold the fort. I know that buffalo check in red is very Farmhouse, but can we try something a little more neutral? Because that's Farmhouse too. Tomorrow will be the ghost of Christmas present.